Okay, myself Anil Misra. I will give you the 6M power system protection short type questions. We will discuss various type of short questions that will come in your semester. So it is helpful for your semester purpose as well as in competitive examinations. So first question is, what is protective relay? It is an electrical device designed to initiate the isolation of a part of the electrical installation or to operate an alarm signal in the event of abnormal condition or a fault. Okay, so this is a protection to the equipments. Next question is, what are the different relays that employed for protection of apparatus and transmission lines? The relay that are usually employed for protection of transmission lines include overcurrent relay, directional relay, distance relay, under voltage relay. Okay, so these are the relays are used for protection of apparatus. The next question is, how the electrical power system protection is divided. The overall system protection is divided into various parts. Among them, the major protection parts are generator protection, transformer protection, bus bar protection, transmission line protection, and feeder protection. So you all of you know about the generator, transformer, feeder, transmission line. Okay, so the electrical power protection is divided like this. The next question, how relays are connected in the power system? The relays are connected to a power system through the current transformer or potential transformer. Okay, so the relay are connected to the power system through current transformer or potential transformer. Next question, what are the different types of principles of operation of electromechanical relays? Electromechanical relays operate by two principles, electromagnetic attraction and electromagnetic induction. On the two principle, electromechanical relays are operating. What are the principles? First one is electromagnetic attraction and second one is electromagnetic induction. Next question, action required out by the relay and circuit breaker during the fault condition. After the relay sensing the fault condition, relay operates and close the trip coils. The effect of this will be circuit breaker operate to open the contacts. What is relay time? Relay time is the interval between the occurrence of the fault and the closure of the relay contacts is called relay time. So what is relay time? Relay time is the interval between the occurrence of the fault and the closure of the relay contact is called relay time. The next one is, what is fault clearance time? When a fault occurs, relay operates and close the trip coils and circuit breaker operates and open the contacts subsequently and fault is cleared. The next question, what is reach? Distance relay operates whenever the impedance seen by the relay is less than the specified set value. Specified set value, if the impedance seen by the relay is less, then the distance relay will operate. Reach is the limiting distance covered by the relay for protection of line. What are the fundamental elements of relay? It is the measuring element, measures the actuating quantity. Then comparing element, then control element. And what are the good features of protecting relay? Some of the good features of protecting relay are reliability, selectivity, sensitivity, simplicity, speed and economy. Some of the causes for relay failures. Primary reason for relay failure operate during faults are wrong settings, bad contacts and open circuit in the relay coil. Then come to the some multiple choice questions. Block setting of a relay can be altered by varying number of armature turns. If the operation of a relay does not involve any change in air gap, then the ratio of raise to peak of is usually high. The next question, dropout to cutoff ratio for most relay is the order of 0.6 to 1. Then basic quantity measured in a distance relay is impedance. Then 17 question, which of following are the desirable qualities of protecting relays? Okay, among these four, none is the answer. Then protected relays are devices which detect abnormal conditions in electrical circuit by measuring constantly the electrical quantities which differ during normal and abnormal conditions. Then resistance offered by series reactor is usually low. Time interval for instant of contact separation to time of arc extension is called opening time. A distance relay measures impedance difference. Maximum short circuit current occurs due to line to line fault and line to line circuit. Then come to some questions. Where does negative phase sequence relay is employed? Negative sequence relay is employed for the protection of generators and motors against unbalanced loading that may arise due to phase-to-phase fault. What is the operating principle of differential relay? Differential relay operates where the phasor difference of two or more similar